We made so many changes that, even though when it rains, people are happy that they are able to, to drive into their yards, they're able to walk on the roads. To paint and mark the roads and the paint to be visible is to direct the traffic, is to show, proper signs. It's also part of, contributing to the safety of the local community.
Already it has benefited a lot of people. There have been a lot of people being employed on this project.
Ek dink dit gaan 'n groot help met die veiligheid van die motoriste en vir die publiek self, want voorheen was hier nie 'n afdraai gewees nie. Die kar het gestaan en die mense moes van die pad af ry. Nou het ons wel 'n baan gemaak om verby te gaan en almal kan veilig geakkommodeer word. Ek dink dit is 'n baie groot voorreg om op die projek te kan werk. As jy aldag wat jy die geleentheid kry om op 'n hoofnasionale pad te kan werk en vir die gemeenskap iets te doen.
Thank you GIC for changing lives.
Thank you GIC for changing lives.
Thank you GIC for changing lives.